chocolate covered eggs for Easter for my hubby. He is the one that loves chocolate in our family. So I am making these for him. I don't know, we're not a big family of chocolate eaters. I think Mike is the biggest one. I know Dave and I don't really eat chocolate. Well, I do. I shouldn't say I don't eat chocolate. I just, if I have a choice, I pick vanilla over chocolate. I don't know, guys, are you a chocolate or vanilla kind of a person? I shouldn't say I don't eat chocolate because I do eat chocolate and I do like it. But I really like vanilla. And so I don't know what my oldest son likes. My daughter is a foodie, so she likes everything. And my youngest, he's kind of in the middle with everything. Okay, now we are going to melt this in the microwave. Don't forget to put your spoon in your used cup so it doesn't make a mess. Melt this in the microwave for a minute to a minute and a half until all the chocolate chips are melted. Stir about halfway through. Okay, since we're going to be shaping eggs, if you want, you can leave this in this bowl, but because I'm making several videos all in a row, I need my favorite microwave bowl. This is the best microwave bowl ever. I know I just said that, but my goodness, I love this thing. Okay. It's actually a popcorn bowl. All right, everything is melted, all nice and smooth. So if you wanted to let it just set up in here, you can. And I have my pan lined with parchment paper. And this doesn't have to be perfect since we're not making fudge squares. Kind of get it in there. Okay, so I'm gonna let this set up in the refrigerator, probably 30 minutes to an hour, and then we'll come back and shape into our eggs. All right, got my chocolate centers here. So, just going to form these into little eggs. Now I'm not gonna do all this because I gotta get my video done, but I'm gonna throw these in the freezer and then I'm gonna dip them. This recipe is based off of my 2-ingredient fudge recipe in my Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2 on page 2 something. Where'd it go? Page 315. Right, now we're gonna let those harden. All right, if you have leftover chocolate, you can save it. And I just get a little container. Put in a little container. Especially now that chocolate is getting so expensive. There we go. Okay, I want to decorate the tops of these. So I have a little bit of leftover chocolate and a few of the peanut butter chips. So I'm going to do the chocolate ones first. Melt this in the microwave. Okay, I have my chocolate ones here. I have more chocolate, so I'm going to drizzle across the top. Okay. Now, going to let that set up. It does, huh?
Yes.
This is for Mike. Chocolate.
Is that dark chocolate?
Mm.
Chocolate.
Okay, chocolate.
Yum.
Taste test. Is it delicious?
Mmm.
Does it taste like a chocolate cream egg?
Does, yes. Oh man. Super rich and chocolatey, and it's kind of fluffy in the middle.